Yesterday we discussed what is FTD, what is Cisco Firepower, and a short story as well. Now today we gonna install FTD, FMC, and initial configuration. At least we will cover this topic today. Now from where we will get these images? So let me show you. I already shared with you two files with efull, EVE-full, and another one is EVE-ng Cisco and something. It's the same thing, by the way. This is the torrent file. Okay, you need a torrent application like a TIX ATI. So you need to click on this one, any of these two applications I will share with you, and you will find many, almost 200 GB, more than 200 GB images, 213 GB images are there. Just like me, I already run it, and I'm going to download two images, one for FTD and the other one is for FMC. So it's downloaded. Yeah, so let me remove this one and let me show you. So my one is done. You need an application like this one, TIX ATI. Just Google it and download, next and install. Then click on this Eve. It will open automatically here. When it open this Eve, uncheck all because we don't need all the images. Dynamaps, you already have these router images. I already shared, so don't copy these one. And IOL, these are the switches images which I already shared better than this one, an updated one, so we don't need this one. The one which we need is QEMU folder. A lot of application are there, Aruba and many safe firewall and many thing, CSR routers. Right now we need this one, Firepower FMC. There are two versions. Copy this one, the latest one, 6.3, and check this one like this one. And then I need FTD. Yesterday I told you what is FMC and what is FTD. So choose the same version. So I choose here 630. So there will be 630 and FTD as well. And also an advanced download next generation IPS as well of Firepower. We will do this later in the course. So choose this one as well. And if you need Windows, Linux, Tiny Core, Linux, anything, you can download. Later we will need some WSA and ESA, which is here. We will download these. This is WSA. But right now I just need these three images. Start, and it will start. But I already just downloaded, so I don't need. So when I go to my download folder, there is efull, QEMU, and I just downloaded these two images. Right now the one which I'm interested in, FTD first. How to install and configure FTD and EVE-ng. So right click on FTD. You need a 7-zip free utility. Either you can use any zip utility. Extract this one. Okay, but keep in mind it will extract them, but gzip is basically Linux compressed version, so you need 2 times to unzip. Now go there and unzip again, 7-zip and extract. Now the image is ready. So you need this final folder, neither this one. If you drag this one, it will not work. And inside this one there is a file named virshu.a. This is the extension QCOW2. The name should be this one. When you go to Eve website, so you will find these name. So let me show you. This name is very important, inside name and also folder name. So if I go to EVE-ng naming, okay, so in documentation is clearly mentioned. Okay, and let me go to Firepower. Okay, here is, so say that the name should start from firepower, then there should be the version, and then the file name. So firepower fmc, so we'll show this the inside name, and also firepower ftd. So it's important. Okay, so my file is already ready, the name is also okay, and inside is also okay. Now I need to upload this one. So what I need to do, go to WinSCP, okay, and open your EVE-NG. So I have 114.130. okay, so I already save it. So now I am here. You need to go to OPT, UNetLab, adds-on, and QEMU. And now the file which I download, that is in C, by the way, up arrow, go to download, EVE full, QEMU, double click, open. Now this the final folder, keep in mind, and just drag this folder here. So these are the steps. Type the IP, then the username and password. Okay, then it will land you in root folder, but you need to go to this path, OPT, UNetLab, QEMU. Okay, if you download directly from Cisco, then you need to create a folder with this name. Okay, and inside the name should be changed to virshu.a, qcow. Create a folder, and if you are using like me, download directly from torrent, just drag it here. That's it. And last, whenever you drag it, you need to apply permission, whatever you do changes. So I believe it's almost done. So let's go there. Okay, and until it's done, so let me log in here, root EVE. Okay, and then go to edit and paste this the command and enter. Okay, and now I can open FTD. So let me go to 192.130. Here the username is admin and password is Eve, if you did not change. Okay, and right click, go to node and firepower, Cisco firepower. So I have only FTD. I just install FTD, choose and save, and here is FTD. So it was easy to install, not a difficult job. You just need to drag the folder, download from torrent file. Inside file name should be this one with extension qcow2. Okay, what else? Just drag it. We will do configuration later just to show you. And right click and start. But in start it will take almost 40 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, and maybe if your system is slow it can take days as well. Okay, so you have to be patient. Okay, that's done. That's the installation, how to install FTD and EVE-NG.